Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this rustic fall door sign. To start off, I'm using a 16-inch wooden round, and I'm just painting it with a soft hazelnut brown, and I'm mixing in some white just to give it a rustic look. And this sign kind of has a shiplap look, so I'm taking a darker brown and just painting along those creases and blending it into my hazelnut brown. So I got this wooden pumpkin cutout from Dollar Tree. We're just going to be using the back of it and painting it white to give it more of a classic look. And then I go back and add in a little bit of soft browns just to define the pumpkin a little bit more. And to attach our pumpkin to our sign, I'm just adding a little bit of glue to it and then pressing it firmly onto our wood round. So I got these leaves from Dollar Tree as well. They are white and like a soft pink color, so I thought they went really well with the theme that I'm going for here. So I'm just attaching those using a staple gun and just trying to cover the whole top side of the pumpkin. I got this dry floral from Amazon. I will link it down below for you guys because it's just so beautiful. It turned out really pretty in person. It would definitely be pretty for like all types of fall decor. So I'm keeping my bow pretty simple. We're just using burlap for that. So I added in some more dry floral and added in some bunny tails as well, just because that's my absolute favorite. I think they are so cute. And then for the final touch, I added this little white pumpkin just to go along with the pumpkin on the side. So this is how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.